Introducing the BD-60 portable line boring machine, designed for precision and efficiency in machining. Whether you're working with loaders, cranes, or other heavy construction equipment, the BD-60 ensures smooth and accurate bore enlargement with ease. The BD-60 stands out with its high performance and portable design, allowing for efficient on-site machining. Fast and accurate boring for heavy-duty equipment. A powerful engine-coupled transmission for uninterrupted operation. Durable, hardened gears, 55 HRC, to extend machine lifespan. Lightweight yet sturdy construction, making it easy to set up and transport. An electronic control panel, providing precise adjustments for sensitivity and power. Built with superior craftsmanship, the BD-60 offers unmatched reliability. Its modular design simplifies installation, and the cast squeeze setup cones allow for quick alignment. The round bearing mounts further enhance stability, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. With a 600-hour working guarantee, the SKYBORTECH BD-60 portable line boring machine delivers the precision and durability professionals need. Increase productivity, reduce downtime, and experience seamless machining with our high-quality, reliable equipment. Upgrade your machining operations with the BD-60 portable line boring machine. For more information, specifications, or a customized solution, contact SKYBORTECH today.